up slowly now. We need to adjust support being 7. It's sitting low. All right, bring the crane around. Watch the rudder clearance. This section here needs extensive descaling before we can assess the metal thickness. Okay, I've marked it for priority inspection. It's almost free, watch yourselves. All right, easy now, let it down slow. This section here is heavily graphitized. We need to prioritize this area for repair. Clearance on the left side. Holding steady. Careful when you set it down. All right, keep it coming down slow. Watch the clearance. Hold it. A little to the left. Steady now. It's reading 0.05 off the mark here. Okay, adjust the port side shim. Confirm alignment is stabilizing. How's the alignment on this section here? Looks good. The tolerances are within spec. All right, mark is verified. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Vibrations look good. We are green across the board. Clearance on the starboard side. Steady, steady. Almost there. Looks good. Lower away. Check the pressure on cylinder 3. Holding steady. Right on target. Looks good from here. Thumbs up.
Pressure levels are rising on the main line.
Recalibrating the flow regulator now. It's only steady.
Confirm. Hydraulics are fully operational.
Is that flush up top? Almost. Tightening the top left bolt now. Okay, secure the bottom right.
Alignment confirmed on section 4.
Copy that. Making final brace adjustments now.
Structure is sound.
This connection is secure. Readings are stable. Confirmed against the schematic. We are green across the board. Check the linkage on the 2-port connection. It's secure now, torque to spec. Pressure is holding steady across the board. Systems check complete on the starboard engine. All indicators green. Excellent. She's ready for sea trials.
Hooray! We did it, everyone. Great job.
The tolerances look good here. Check the starboard side as well. Everything lines up perfectly.
A true masterpiece brought back to life.
Finest restoration I've ever seen.